Well, Ryan, I just went over to Mike's house, or Mike's mom's house, and to pick up your bike. Just rode it back. I hope you can see this clearly. It's in beautiful shape. It's running really well. The exhaust is gorgeous. Very sweet, very clean, all the way around. Those bug eyes are trademark. And here's the look from the cockpit. And here's what it sounds like.